Now we're taking video.
What?
We're taking video.
Hi.
What do you think?
Hi, everybody. I think he's ready for TV and movies. And look at him. What? Look at this. He is a star. Look, he's opening his eyes.
Say hello to Grandma Maxie.
I don't know, what are we going to call me?
I don't know. What do you want us to call you?
I'm not sure. I was looking up a list on the computer of contemporary names that we call grandmas.
Yeah.
There's some pretty crazy ones out there.
Such
I was
as?
thinking of something in Chinese that they call grandma. Let me see those little hands. Where are they hiding? Where are those little fingers? Oh my goodness. Look at those little fingers. I don't know. Those look like the hands of a star athlete. Do you know that? Look at that. Look at these arms. Look at them. Soft as shit. Oh. God. Look at this. Look how cute. I'm ready for the toes. I gotta get a tub of melted butter and salt. They'll be like little corn kernels.